Are you ready for Shah Rukh? Oh my God, boys and girls. This is that time when you go Shah Rukh! Shah Rukh! Shah Rukh! All right, Dubai. At this moment right now, under this sky, you are in the presence of absolute greatness, the epitome of entertainment, the biggest superstar on this planet. Welcome to Dubai.
Thank you very much. Thank you everybody. Assalamualaikum, namaskar, good evening. Lovely to see you all. First of all, a big thank you to Sky2.0 for having me. Thank you all the musicians, the DJs for playing my song. Thank you, this Vimal Rathod is somewhere. Thank you Vimal for having me and thank you for introducing me. Bless you all. Most of all, thank you very much. Dubai, as always, for me, thank you. So I have to, because the song was Pathaan, so I have to say a line from Pathaan. बॉडी पठान के घर को रखोगे तो मेहमान नवाजी के लिए पठान बनाओगे और पठान के लिए Thank you. I genuinely आप लोग यहाँ पे इतने सारे लोग हो. Some people, I've been working for 35 years. I'm 58 now, so some of your parents must be liking me also, I'm sure. And inshallah, when you have children, then I'll be strong enough to entertain them. So, first of all, a very heartfelt thanks for giving me the love that you've given for years. And yes, I love you all on behalf of my family. It's really wonderful to be here amidst people who love me so much. And I'm sorry, I always come to places like this and meet you when my movies are releasing. But it's always lovely to see you all. So thank you, Dubai. Thank you very much.
All right, Shah Rukh sir, I have a question. This has been a phenomenally blessed year, right? First it was John, then it was Pathaan, and now it's Dunki. And there is this song in Dunki, wearing a kurta, and there is this song Lutt, Gaya. Will it be possible for you to train me a couple of steps of that song?
I'm very bad at dancing, but I'll try. Karan. So Karan wants to learn this step from me. I'll try and teach you all. I'm not a very good dancer, but I'll still. So if you can play the song Lutt Gaya, I'll try and teach you.
Lutt Gaya. Okay. gentlemen, Shah Rukh Khan.
I would dance a little more, but I run out of breath now when I dance. But thank you once again. If there's anything else before I go, yeah, I can do it for this time.
Alright guys, I'm gonna give you a hint. This movie, he was a radio announcer in that film on All India Radio. Alright? He'll say. And there was this song which was shot entirely on a train. I'll get off. Okay, let's take it. Okay. Which song am I talking about? Alright, DJ, go for it. Alright, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Shah Rukh Khan!
I'll be telling everyone I'm here because I have to kind of sell my films. Tell you please go and watch them. This is a film made by a lovely filmmaker, Raju Hirani. He's one of the finest people's films that you'll watch. So this holidays, all the girls, think of me as your holiday. Come and watch the movie in the halls with me on 21st December, and if you're there, imagine me there walking in high speed in that film. And for all the girls and their boyfriends and all their friends and their fathers and brothers, all you'll hear me say is, all pass, all pass, all pass, all pass. Love you, Dubai. Have a good evening. I'll be here somewhere enjoying the singing and dancing. May Allah bless you. Be happy, be healthy, be kind to your parents, be loving to your children, and have the greatest life possible. Thank you.
December 2023, Dunki in cinemas near you. A big shout out going out to Red Chili's, Yashraj International, Sky2.0, City 1016. My name is Tarun. Have a beautiful evening, ladies and gentlemen. Shah Rukh Khan!